So you have your Elephant Toothpaste Kit. Before we get started, doing the experiment, it's best for you to take inventory to just make sure that you have everything that you need for the experiment, okay? As we notate what we have here, we're going to just kind of check off the list and make sure that we have that everything is accounted for. So the first thing on the list is the square container. And as you see, you do have the square container here, right? And this container is important because it allows you to do the experiment literally anywhere in the world. This kit can go on airplanes, all of that. And so you can just do it on a vacation. It doesn't matter. The second item on the list is the dishwashing liquid. And that's this container right here, okay? The third thing is the test tube. You have a package of yeast and some hydrogen peroxide. We have food coloring, right? So let me just mark those off. Kind of been moving fast here. Now you have the mixing cup. This is the cup you will be mixing the yeast and the warm water in. That's it right there. And then you have also what we call a small drinking cup, and you will be using this to also make a mixture throughout this experiment. I'm just checking them off. You have a ground spoon, one of those. You have 2 pipettes. The pipettes allow you to grab fluids, right? And then you have a funnel, 1 set of gloves, and then you also have the instruction sheet. And this is like if you wanted to do this without me and you want to kind of walk through the experiment, you could pull out this and just work on it on your own, okay? And because we're doing an experiment, we always practice safety. As you notice, I have some goggles up here for safety, as well as there will be gloves inside of this box. So now that we've done and got through the inventory list and we have everything that we need, it is time to do the experiment. You ready?